Callan Bacon is a bacon processor operating from a purpose-built 20,000 square foot bacon factory in the beautiful town of Callan, Kilkenny in Ireland. They were founded in 1924 and are experiencing significant growth throughout Ireland and the UK. The traceability chain starts as soon as each consignment of meat is booked in and checked against the relevant purchase order on the system. At this stage, consignments are issued with a batch number and bar-coded labels, which contains all relevant traceability data. The data process Stevens label design software allows the creation of different label formats to create either customer-specific labels or Callan-specific production information. Datos supplied 3 Vantage OCM scales with ST314 industrial barcode printers and wireless scanners. 1 Vantage was allocated to goods inwards attached to a platform scale and 2 allocated to production. One of these terminals is operating in dual mode with the Vantage handling both a bench and platform scale. Geraldine Curran, Financial Controller at Callan's, gives her view on the project.
The benefits of the system are increased sales analysis, which we never had before, as detailed as you want them or as summarised as you want them. Costing details down to individual unit, which we never had before. And stock control, where we can virtually trace any item at any point. We know exactly which item came from which batch, which is gone to which customer, and we can trace that right back to intake. They're the main benefits we found.
The production process simply involves scanning products to be used in production and then weighing and labelling products produced. Labels can be printed per box or per pallet. All data is sent back to Season for stock control, yield analysis, product costing and of course traceability. The factory is divided into separate departments with separate terminals, ensuring that raw meats and cooked meats are processed and stored separately.
There were a number of changes along the way which did make it difficult, but they were all addressed, which is the main point. There were a number of changes and tweaks which were done to benefit us, and which in the end have resulted in a better product, I think, for Comet and Stevens.
Two wireless-enabled Symbol MC70 rugged PDAs with integrated scanners were also installed for production and dispatch. Dispatch operators scan product, box or pallet labels against the appropriate sales orders using their PDA scanners for a highly efficient paperless process. Callan Wireless enabled their complete factory to allow these terminals to roam throughout the factory. Geraldine summarises the benefits of the project for Callan.
We can see exactly the customers that are making a profit and those that aren't making a profit. Exactly the products that are making a profit and those that aren't making a profit. Or how much profit they are making, I should say. That would be the main benefit going forward, I would think. And the fact that traceability is so easy in the system, it just makes the whole thing easier.